Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones Adidas RPD 01 to the application. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. And if you have Android, also click pair new device. After that, press and hold middle button on your headphones until you can see that LED is start flashing blue. Here we go. Now click on your device, then hide the Bluetooth and go to the application. Now click Add. Skip it. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!